In this video, I will share with you how to turn on VPN on iPhone. So step one, go to settings. And if you didn't land first in this general page, if you landed on the settings page, just click on general and you will land on this general page. Now scroll down looking for VPN and device management. This is it. And click on it and then click on VPN and turn on this switch next to VPN status. Of course, after adding your own VPN configuration, just click on add VPN configuration, fill in the configuration details, click on this blue check mark, and after that turn it on from here. And this is how to turn on VPN on iPhone. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.